What is the value of force per unit length on a middle wire B? Whereas three parallel straight wires placed perpendicular to plane of paper carrying the same current I along the same direction. So here we are going to calculate the value of force along B. So here we are going to calculate the resultant force. Based on a given question, we can say the force along AB and the force along BC will be equal because it's known that the force on a straight wire is nothing but mu naught I square divided by 2 pi t. And based on the formula, we can say the force is directly proportional to the current. It's given in the question, everything is having a same current. So we can say AB and BC will have same amount of force. So the resultant will be equal to root of F1 square plus F2 square. Whereas F1 is representing the force along AB, whereas F2 is representing the force along BC. So here we can write F plus F. So which will be equal to root of 2F square. When we are taking out from the root, we can write root 2 times F. We know the value of EF, so we can write root 2 times mu naught I square divided by 2 pi t. So here when we are simplifying the root 2 value, it can be written as mu naught I square divided by root 2 pi times t, because it's known that 2 can be written as root 2 times root 2. So it will get cancelled. So we will have remaining only this. So based on this, when we are checking the option, we can say option C will be the correct answer for this question.